Okay, continuing today's lesson on logarithms. The first thing you need to remember is what we wrote down this morning. Log is exponent. So when you have a logarithm that you need to solve, first thing you need to do is turn it to an exponent. Log of 3 square root of 3 base 3 equals something. So we're going to put x for that. To make this exponential form, you're going to write it base raised to the exponent equals the answer, 3 square root of 3. To be able to solve for x, you need to have like bases. So our base here is 3. First thing you need to do is turn 3 square root of 3 into a base of 3. Well, 3 on the outside would be the same thing as if you had a 9 on the inside. See, this was the original 3, and then the square root of 9 would be this 3. So this is the square root of 27. 27 could be written as square root of 27 to 1/2. 27 is 3 cubed. 3 cubed to the 1/2. Remember, you multiply a power to a power. So this is 3 to the 3/2 power. So 3 raised to the x power is equal to 3 to the 3 over 2 power. Now you have like bases, so you can just set your exponents equal to each other, and that's your solution. So x equals 3 over 2. This one is similar, but you need to change it from logarithmic form to exponential form. So your base is 6, your exponent is x. I'm going to rewrite the cubed root of 36 in exponential form. 36 is 6 squared. So this is the same thing as saying the cubed root of 6 squared. And remember, it's power over root. So 6x is going to equal 6 to the second power divided by the root. Again, you now have like bases, so you can set your exponents equal to each other, and your answer is 2/3. Okay. Let's try one of the solving ones here. Log of 256 to base 4 equals y. Well, solve means get the variable by itself. You're solving for y. So let's change this to exponential form. Base 4 to the exponent y equals 256. You've got to find 256 with base 4. Or possibly you can do this one in the calculator. That's not what I was after. Okay. Okay, bear with me while I got the calculator up, working on getting this to work. To solve this in the calculator, if you want to, let's change this y to x. So this is 4 raised to the x power equals 256. If you take y equals and you put one side of the equation for y1, say 4 raised to the power of x, and then put the other side of the equation in y2, 256, whoops, 259. Look at second graph. Look for where your y values match. See? Y values are both 256 for Y1 and Y2. Your x is your solution. So what this means is that 4 to the x power, 4 to the 4th power, x equals 4, or y equals 4. So the answer, log of 256 to the base 4, is 4. That's all there is to it. On number 2, you're going to rewrite the logarithmic equation into exponential form. Base power equals m. Well, this is just a straight type it in the calculator. Whatever 5 to the 4th power is. 5 to the 4th. So m is 625. Base raised to the power of the exponent equals x. Remember the power over root. So what this is saying is 9 to the 3rd power and take the square root of it. Well, 9 to the 3rd power is 729. So this is the square root of 729. You're not going to be able to make that be a perfect square. Oops, I lied. It is. So the answer is 27. So the answer, x equals 27. That's all there is to it. Just remember, base is base, whether it's in an exponent or a logarithm. The base here is 7. Log equals exponent. So the exponent is t, and then it equals 1 over 49. Changes to an x, put them in the calculator, find out what it equals. If you have any questions, come in tomorrow for tutoring.